Good morning everyone, especially to you ma'am, good morning. I am Arde Gabriel Innobal, this Criminal G2. So, the important concept or lesson I learned in this subject is all about knowing what is good and what is bad. So for me, doing good things is a moral, and helping others without reward is also a moral. So if we do good things, it means we are a role model of other person. So if all persons do a good things, so we are a ethical and moral person. And for example, the virtue of a human is helping others without reward. It is called virtue. Without a reward. So this subject changed my perspective, thinking, and behavior. Because before, I can do a decision without thinking or realizing. But now, as I learn in this subject, so before I do an action or anything else, so I need time to think and realize first if this decision or action is help myself and it is can help other people. For example, helping others is a good doing, and as a human, we need to do a good things rather than we do bad things. Doing a good things is reflect in ourselves, and we are a good role model in other person, and we have a good character. So for me, helping others without reward is a good doing. And as I learned in this subject, I need to make a strong decision. So I applying this learning in my real life because, for example, in the school. So last day, some of the student here in this school is forgot their cell phone, and I found it. So the things I can do is I will return the cell phone of the owner, so they make a good smile, and she said that thank you for returning my cell phone, and I hope that some people is the same for you, good character and good behavior. So that's why the subject ethics is I applying myself, because that time I see the person I will return her cell phone, so I see her good smile and good faces. So I realized that helping other is a good doing, and I hope that some people is the same as to me. uh, we have a good character, and I hope that we are a role model of other person. We need to do a more good doing, not a bad things. So and this subject is a big help for me to realize and think that knowing what is good and bad is a good decision that can help ourselves and others. So that's all.